Okay, so now part 2. Now you assess the exam answers. And it's very similar to part 1. You want to circle key ITIL words. That's our first bullet point. Again, keywords such as problem and service portfolio. Then we want to circle again key answer type words such as always or never. These are important types of words because ITIL is general advice, and seldom does it always say that something must always be. It typically doesn't make those type of bold statements. So now we can do the third bullet point of assessing the exam answers. We use a process of elimination. If the ITIL keywords in the question don't match the ITIL keywords in the answer, then more than likely this is a weak answer. And this is my approach. As part of a process of elimination, look for weak answers, mark them with a question mark or an X if you think it's totally wrong, and look for the best answer. The other thing you can do to help eliminate and narrow down the correct answers to the question, if keywords seem unreasonable, again, such as a service desk always handles events, well, there's other process elements and functions that also handle events. So always isn't a strong type of answer in ITIL. So it's another type of weak question. Put a question mark or an X beside that question. So finally, we're left with the answer that's most likely the best answer you have. This is the one with the least amount of weaknesses and the one with the most correct usage of ITIL keywords that match the question up above. And continuing on, we're now at part 3. There's been a recent trend for an evolution of longer types of questions and longer answers. So with longer type of questions and answers, focus on the end of the paragraph or sentence. This typically contains the actual question. Often you'll find the initial part of the sentence or the paragraph is nice to know but not specifically need to know. So an example might be a statement such as a service level manager has responsibility for ensuring that the aims of service level management are met and for assisting in the production of a service catalog. Period. Service level management is not responsible for, and then you have the questions that come after that. So in that long paragraph, the first part's nice to know, but it's not necessary to actually answer the question. The real question is simply, which of the following is service level management not responsible for? So again, break things down. Don't get confused by these long types of questions and answers. Look for the actual question or the actual answer. And my final part 4, other exam tips, one main bullet point. Don't get flustered or stuck on a question that you're unclear about. You're able to go back and forth on the paper exam to any questions you're not sure of. Anything you're not sure of, put a check mark beside it. Move on. You may find clues from other questions that'll help you in answering questions you're unsure of. If you're doing it online, the same thing. You're able to go back and forth, so use the same technique. So keep these tips front and center of your minds when you're writing the ITIL Foundation exam, and you'll have a great experience. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.